This is the formula that I will use to check option A. If equation of a line is given, then x1, y1, z1 are coordinate of a point lying on this line. Equation of plane containing this line and perpendicular to this plane is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, coefficient of x, y, z in equation of this plane. This determinant is equal to 0. P is the plane containing this line and perpendicular to this plane. Since P contains this line, therefore a point with coordinate 1, 3, minus 2 will lie on this line, that means in this plane. Equation of P by using formula will be x minus 1, y minus 3, z minus 2 means z plus 2, 2, 3, 1 in second row, 1, 2, 3 in third row is equal to 0. Now we expand this determinant. X minus 1 times 3 times 3, 9, minus 2 times 1, 2, minus y minus 3, 2 times 3, 6, minus 1 times 1, 1, plus z plus 2 times 2 times 2, 4, minus 3 times 1, 3. After simplification, we get this equation. This is same as given in option A. Therefore, option A is correct. This is formula that I will use in checking option B and option C. Length of perpendicular drawn from point x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Pm is equal to, put x1 in place of x and write here, put y1 in place of y, write here, put z1 in place of z, write here, and then d, mod by root under a square plus b square plus c square. Equation is in the form that each term lie on the left side of is equal to sign and right side is equal to 0. P1 is the plane passing through the point 4 to 2 and parallel to the plane P. Then distance between this plane P and this plane P1. Distance between these two planes will be equal to length of perpendicular drawn from this point to this plane, and that will be equal to 4 in place of x, 2 in place of y, 2 in place of z, mod by 7 square plus minus 5 square 25 plus 1 square 1. This is equal to 2 root 3, which is not equal to 30. Therefore, option B is not correct. Length of perpendicular drawn from origin to this plane P is equal to 0 in place of x, 0 in place of y, 0 in place of z. Take mod by 7 square plus minus 5 square plus 1 square root under. That is equal to 2 by root 3. This is not equal to 2 root 3. Therefore, this option is not correct. By using this formula, I will check option D. If theta be acute angle between two planes, then cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 mod by root under A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square times root under A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. We suppose that acute angle between plane P and this plane is theta. Then cos theta is equal to 7 times 2 plus minus 5 times 2 plus 1 times 1 mod by root under this square plus this square plus 1 square times root under 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. This is equal to 1 by 3 root 3. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 3 root 3. Then theta will be equal to cos inverse 1 by 3 root 3. This is given in this option D. Therefore, option D is correct.